So I'm here with the Lionrock Batteries. And hi, so who are you?
Hi, I'm David Young. I'm the founder of Lionrock Batteries.
Hello, I'm Eric Lee. I'm the Vice President for Sales and Marketing at Lionrock Batteries.
So what are you showing here?
We are making a flexible battery. So on my hand, you can see a flexible battery inside a watch straps. It is showing the bending curvature of the battery in the watch strap.
My watch strap.
You can put it in a battery in the strap.
You can comfortably put it around your wrist.
It's safe?
It's safe. Yes, you can see the video.
That's the unique selling point. You can actually punch a hole into the battery. Nothing comes out. There's no leakage, and there's no fire. So it's an extremely safe battery.
Extremely safe. No fire.
No fire.
No leakage.
Yes.
No toxics.
No
materials?
toxic comes out. No gas
Nothing?
that comes out.
Yeah. So and then flexible. What's the capacity on this?
And this one is a small one, so the capacity is as a ratio of the size. This is a small one. It has a roughly 80 milliamp hour inside.
In what you need two for a watch?
For watch, you can put it around. So it's
80 for the whole watch, or is it
on one side?
160?
One side. So on both, you could have close to 200, which is about 80% of the typical watch capacity.
So with my smartwatch, which is with memory LTD,
exactly,
it's a low power smartwatch. Maybe you could power it.
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
And we can actually customize into different form factors. For example, something like this, at a thickness of about 1.3 millimeters, perfectly bendable. And this unit itself, it's about 200 mAh.
Nice.
And we also have something that is bigger, so we can put it into like a luggage tag, and we pull it out. And so this is the bigger unit with a higher mAh.
How big?
I think this is like 270.
Yes, 270 mAh.
Yeah.
So now you have an example of the smartwatch?
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure when it works right away. It may have a short of battery at this moment. Yes.
Like my Pebble, the same.
Yes.
So it's this Pebble band that has power.
It is a prototype. It's not a real product yet. So if we are lucky, we may have charging right away.
Oh. Cool. Because this is very low power smartwatch, right?
Yeah. It's charging right now. But
with 200 milliamp in the wrist.
Look at that. That is charging a Pebble watch.
From the band.
Yes, from the band. And it has the flexible battery inside.
Nice. And you have even some more shapes around here?
We have something a little wider, smaller. This one has a smaller capacity.
So what's your materials? What do you use?
It is a lithium-ion battery.
It's lithium-ion?
Lithium-ion battery. It is a typical lithium-ion battery structure with a nanofiber structure that stabilizes the battery versus a bending and twisting actions.
Nanofiber technology.
Nanofiber
technology.
So you have some fiber configuration of the lithium-ion?
Yes. And this is a very a strong but flexible structure, and it's highly porous, so the electrolyte inside can flow freely. So it's a good protection, but a safe device for the battery.
So I've seen before another flexible battery, but it was other material. It was not lithium-ion, right?
It's a different technology.
Lower capacity, or?
Some are lower capacity, some are less flexible, some are bendable only once, but ours is repeatedly bendable.
Repeatedly forever?
Bendable, so it can
again and again.
Yeah. It's a bending cycle of this radius, which is a 20 millimeter radius. It is reliable to bend over 1,000 times.
1,000 times.
And it's a chargeable battery as well, so you can charge the battery just like any other secondary battery outside.
Just chargeable.
Correct. Just like lithium-ion battery, but it's chargeable. It's not a one-time.
So you're considering to be in clothing, smart textiles?
Absolutely.
Maybe? Where is it going to be in this shirt?
Whatever wearable.
Lapel, collar. We can fit it into a tight space as well. The key is we can customize into different form factors.
How about if you take this off, this part?
Oh, not this thin though. Not this thin.
Because the future of phones is going to be flexible display, flexible battery, right?
Okay, we tell you just down to what we're doing. Ours is about 1.3 millimeter
thick. Yeah, it can be thicker. It's okay. But I'm just wondering you know, like you could have a flexible display, add
Yeah.
your battery, right?
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then
Oh, yes,
what
certainly.
else? A flexible motherboard, PCB. That's not an issue, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So the whole unit, the whole device, is constructed of flexible components, and we supply the flexible battery to that kind of device.
So how long have you been working on this?
We have the research has been done since 2016, and we are now in the stage of commercialize and industrialize this technology. We have the production line, pilot production line set up in the end of last year. So we are now
where?
in Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong.
And now we are offering customization of form factors to new projects because we think there are a lot of potentials, new projects that they need trial, small volume, and we're doing that for these ventures.
Do you have any projects already happening?
We have few
Anything
customers.
you can announce? Not
We
yet.
cannot
Nothing
announce
we
yet.
can announce.
So maybe we're looking at it here. Maybe it's a jacket, or
Yes.
maybe it's something to do with VR.
Yep, yep.
Maybe it's a gloves with a display.
No, it's just
infrared to show you that
Yeah.
there's like a
okay, these are
In the
some
shoe.
are real development, some are for illustration
Ideas, right?
purpose. Yes.
And a nice dress.
Oh yes, sir. Going
That'd be
down.
so cool to have this.
Yes.
Yeah, and the wallet, for
A
example.
pet collar can be one thing.
Ooh.
Pet collar, yes.
Yeah. And so there's no risk of having any irritation, the skin contact against this battery.
No, we
It doesn't
it's
get hot?
Safe. No, it's not really because it's okay. It's just because of the flat structure with large area, so it will dissipate any heat quite
very well.
So in terms of volume, this lithium ion compared to another, like the battery in my phone, for example, how's it how compact is your energy compared to
It
theirs?
it has the same
Same.
same. Not better, not worse. It's
Same,
the same.
volume, same power.
Same energy density because it's the same chemistry structure, so it's the same.
And does it help that lithium ion is the biggest battery in the technology in the world? That it's going to help your product too? Because there's so much lithium
a
ion
very
out
common.
there.
I would say it is a very common, very efficient energy storage system today. So we are adopting the same chemistry. First, it's efficient, and second, it is easy for industrialize because all the peripheral electronics will be the same. So same.
But I thought lithium ion was explosive or dangerous, but
And-
not yours.
Okay. That's why we have the nanofiber structure, which added additional safety feature to it. It is like a sponge. It's a very elastic but durable, so it will protect the the battery from short circuit when it's deformed.
One thing I want to highlight is our battery actually won with our nanotechnology structure, actually won the Gold Medal Award last year at the 45th International Exhibition of Inventions in Geneva.
Is it the biggest inventions convention or something? There's a lot of inventors there, right?
Oh, yes,
That
yes.
is true, yes.
It's a
our-
fun show.
Yeah, oh yes.
of crazy
And our,
inventions, right?
and our solution is actually available in the market right now. We're not in a research mode right now. We're not in research mode. It's available. These are all working units. What we do is we actually work with customers to create different form factors of the unit for the devices, for the wearables, mobile electronics or IoT devices, which they all require different form factors. That's the status we are. We can go into production right now.
So we should just contact you and start making products.
Absolutely.
Any shape, anything, any
Yes,
thickness,
yes, customized.
anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
And factory is special, right?
Yes.
You have to make a special factory for this, but you have one.
We have
But
the pilot
just
line,
pilot.
and we plan to make a mass production scale next year when we have gathered sufficient small orders or one big order, and then we will.
So what do you think about the IDTechEx show?
It's very good. I would say it's one of the best show that we have attended so far. A lot of high quality visitors, and we have good business leaders throughout the exhibition.
And it's a great platform for technology companies or startup like us to demonstrate our solution. We can work with potential customers or partners, and we can collaborate to come up with even more creative solutions for the market.
Are you going to be in flexible phones?
We
We only
focus
do
on the
batteries.
batteries, and we help phone companies to make it realize down the road. Possible.
Unbreakable flexible phone. Throw it on the floor. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
It doesn't crack.
Okay.
All right.